Welcome to Fluid Health and Fitness, where we're dedicated to enhancing your movement journey with our cutting-edge in-home motion tracking technology. Let's get you started on the setup process. First things first, find a space where you can move around freely. Make sure that you can stand fully in your phone's frame and make sure that there's no one in the background. Consider marking a spot to determine the ideal distance from your camera. Position your camera between hip and chest height for optimal tracking. This ensures accurate readings as you perform the movements. Now, let's prop your phone or tablet, making sure that the camera is as close to level as possible. With the setup complete, it's time to dive into the assessment itself. First, select Start to begin the movement screens. There are 4 individual screens, each focusing on different movements: cervical rotation, shoulder abduction, overhead squat, and toe touch. Each screen provides animated examples to guide you. Now let's talk about what happens after the assessment. Your assessment will only take about 5 minutes. The results will be securely saved on our server, and during your running review, our kinesiologist will analyze the results with you. The objective findings will guide decisions on improving strength, mobility, and coordination deficits. Plus, you can track your progress in future assessments. Pretty amazing. And that's it. In just 60 seconds, we've set up and completed your assessment with Fluid Health and Fitness. Your journey for improved strength and mobility begins now. Stay tuned for the personal results and insights that you got from this screen. And remember, guys, your body is designed to move, so stay in motion, stay fluid, and we'll see you soon.